Okay, we're back. Got the ring off that headlight assembly over there. Okay. Okay. We're back. Little update. I did get this to go on and work. So that's good. It is tight though. So, but yeah, I have to hold this with both hands and get it to tighten down. So, there we go. All right, now come back over here. My small little light is done for. The battery's dead. Okay, well, I've got another light in the house. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back and got me another light there, and hopefully this will go in there and bolt up without any real drama. Try to get this that little bit off. I was wanting to just peel it off nice and straight, but I don't think that's going to happen. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to have to get a knife. Let's see, get my pocket here. Get my pocket knife out. I just want to peel all that off. And peel it back here, get it out of the way. Okay, there we go. All right. Oh my God. Look here. This is funny. Oop. That's my horn down there to this truck. Can you see the, yeah, see how badly rusted it is on the backside? I think it still works. So, I know the horns work. I'm not sure if that particular one works. That's just funny. Yeah. Thought I'd share that with you. Okay. Get that back there. Now, these things aren't necessarily easy to get in because they're not necessarily easy to get out either. I may, yeah,